think it's the magical light time of the day. There's some kind of bird over there. See, it's all in the top of the trees. It's Scrawny. Can you hear her? Oops. It goes down there. It's not especially a pretty place, this part. There's these little tiny flowers. I won't focus on them. Oh well. I know what they look like in my brains. But they're like everywhere. Got it? Come here. Hey. Hey. Psh, psh, psh. Granny. Come here. Over here. Hey, hey. She's like, come on, damn it. You're holding me up.